Every gardener dreams of baskets overflowing with fiery chilies, imagining the satisfaction of picking handfuls of vibrant peppers from their own backyard. The vision is always lush, plants heavy with fruit, colors popping against deep green leaves, and the promise of spicy meals ahead. But reality often falls short. Instead of abundance, many gardeners are met with disappointment, empty baskets, sparse plants, and a sense of frustration. Despite careful watering, choosing the sunniest spots, and selecting the best varieties, chili plants can still look pale and spindly, with leaves yellowing and flowers dropping before they ever set fruit. It can feel like all your efforts are in vain, but don't be discouraged. It's not a sign of a bad gardener. Chilies are just demanding, and even experienced growers face these challenges. Chilies are heavy feeders, needing lots of nutrients, especially when flowering and fruiting. Without a steady supply of food, they simply can't produce the harvest you're hoping for. If the soil lacks key elements, the plant prioritizes survival, not harvest. It will focus on staying alive, sacrificing flowers and fruit in the process. The real issue often lies underground. Healthy soil teems with beneficial microbes that help roots absorb nutrients efficiently, creating a hidden network that supports strong growth. Compacted or depleted soil breaks this partnership, stunning your plants and leaving them unable to reach their full potential. But what if the missing piece isn't a fancy fertilizer, but something simple from your kitchen, like a banana peel? Sometimes, the solution to your chili growing woes is easier and more natural than you think. Banana peels are a gardener's secret weapon, often overlooked but incredibly powerful when it comes to nurturing your garden. What many people toss away as kitchen waste is actually a treasure trove of nutrients for your plants. Packed with essential nutrients, banana peels are perfect for feeding chili plants and helping them reach their full potential. They're a natural, cost-effective way to boost your garden's health. Banana peels are especially rich in potassium, an element that's absolutely vital for flower and fruit development in chilies and many other fruiting plants. But that's not all. They also provide phosphorus, which supports strong root growth, as well as calcium and magnesium, which are crucial for healthy, resilient plants. Potassium helps chilies set more flowers and fruit, leading to bigger harvests, while phosphorus boosts root development and overall plant vigor. Calcium and magnesium, meanwhile, strengthen stems and leaves, making your chili plants more robust and better able to withstand stress. Unlike chemical fertilizers, banana peels feed not just the plant, but also the beneficial microbes in your soil, creating a thriving ecosystem underground. As these microbes and worms break down the peel, they release nutrients slowly, making them available to plant roots over time and reducing the risk of overfeeding. This process also improves soil structure, increases moisture retention, and helps create the rich, crumbly soil that plants love. The result is a natural, balanced boost that helps chilies thrive, all without the risk of chemical burn or harming the environment. So next time you eat a banana, remember, that humble peel is a simple, sustainable way to unlock your chili plant's full potential and support a healthier garden. Making banana peel fertilizer at home is surprisingly simple and can be done with just a few basic items you already have in your kitchen. Not only is it easy, but it's also a fantastic way to recycle food scraps and boost your garden's health at the same time. To make banana peel tea, start by soaking 2 or 3 ripe banana peels in a clean jar filled with water. Let the peels steep for about 2 days at room temperature. This allows the nutrients to infuse into the water, creating a gentle, natural fertilizer. After 2 days, strain out the peels and keep the liquid. Before using, dilute 1 part of this banana tea with 4 parts water. This step is important to prevent over-fertilizing your plants. Gently pour the diluted solution around the base of your chili plants, making sure to avoid getting any on the leaves. This helps the roots absorb nutrients directly where they're needed most. Alternatively, you can chop ripe banana peels into small pieces and bury them a few inches away from the plant's stem. As the peels break down in the soil, they slowly release nutrients, feeding the roots over time. For best results, apply banana peel tea or berry chopped peels every 2 to 3 weeks throughout the growing season. This regular feeding schedule keeps your chili plants healthy and productive. Remember, moderation is key. Using too much banana peel fertilizer can upset the balance of your soil and may even harm your plants, so always stick to the recommended amounts. Be sure to use only ripe yellow banana peels, as green peels haven't developed their full nutrient content yet and may not break down as easily in the soil. The best part is, this method is completely natural, safe for your plants, and doesn't require any special equipment, just your hands, and a little patience. By using simple kitchen scraps like banana peels, you're not only reducing waste but also giving your chili plants exactly what they need to thrive, all while keeping your gardening routine eco-friendly and cost-effective. The results are impressive and fast. Within weeks you'll notice deeper green leaves, sturdier stems, and bushier growth. More flowers appear, and fewer drop-off, thanks to the potassium boost. Soon you'll see more, larger, and more colorful chilies than ever before. Gardeners often double or triple their harvests using this method. The soil also improves, becoming darker, looser, and richer as microbes thrive. Healthier soil means plants resist drought, pests, and disease better. You're not just growing chilies, you're building a thriving, resilient garden. Using banana peels means less reliance on synthetic fertilizers and pesticides. You're feeding the soil, not just the plant, creating a self-sustaining ecosystem. Stronger, healthier plants naturally resist pests and disease. Improved soil structure holds water better, so you water less. Over time, your garden becomes richer and more productive, perfect for any crop. Banana peels turn kitchen waste into garden gold, closing the loop between what you eat and what you grow. This simple habit transforms your perspective on waste and abundance. Dirt Decoded.